What's up guys, this is Ben with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with another repair on the Fitbit Blaze. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the main board PCB. A symptom showing the main board to be defective is that the Blaze will not power on, and I'll show you how to fix this. If you think this repair is too difficult, you can always send it in to us and we'll fix it for you. So let's begin. Once again, we'll want to start with removing these 4 torx screws on the back. Once you have those 4 screws off, make sure you set them aside. And then use your plastic pry tool. We want to get the back cover off. Once you have it off, be careful, make sure you don't tear this ribbon. Just take it off gently. Then you'll want to unclip this little port right here and slide that ribbon out. Set the back cover aside. Next, you'll want to use the pry tool to remove these 3 ribbons right here. So get underneath and just pry them up. Pull it back. Pry up that one and that one. Then we could grab our flathead, and over here on the left side, the one with 2 buttons, you're gonna want to go right behind this little metal bracket, and you just pry the whole board and battery assembly right out. Now, another common issue with these is that you will notice the battery might start draining way too fast, and a common misconception is that the battery is causing the issue. Now, once you're at this point, if you just take a look and check if the battery is all bloated, this one looks fine. If the battery is not bloated, it's most likely the board that's causing the drainage issue. You might have some kind of corrosion either on the front or the bottom, and that could be causing it to drain the battery fast. So in this case, we'll be replacing the board. Get your Phillips screwdriver and remove these 3 screws. Set those aside. Now you'll want to get your flathead, and right here you'll want to get underneath and pry this tape back, and the entire board will just come right off. Now you need to take the battery off. Just get your soldering iron, and then just take these 2 terminals right off. Once that's off, we'll set this bad board aside, and we'll grab our new board for the replacement. So we're going to solder these terminals on. There you go. And now we'll just go backwards. We're going to take this vibrator and put it back in place. Make sure you press it in, and make sure the board lines up with this housing. It should just click into place like that. And then holding it down, we could put these 3 screws back in place. Now that we have this back together, we'll grab our screen. Then you'll want to start with the side that has the ribbon. Press that side in first. And then the other side, if you just push it down with your finger, should clip right in. And then we could get these ribbons, put them back in place, just clip them right in. Just like that. And now, we'll want to put the back cover back on. So with this ribbon, try and straighten it out, make it easier to put it back in place. Make sure this clip on the heart rate monitor is up as well. And we can press this back in. If it doesn't go in right away, you could grab a flathead and just help push it in. Just like that, and then push the clip down. And now we can just put it back together. Make sure that this ribbon folds over like that. Then we'll put our 4 T2 screws back in place. Now we'll just test it out on the charger. Make sure it powers up. And there you go. So that's it for the main board replacement. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding this repair, please leave a comment below. If you need any parts listed in the video, we do sell them on our website at www.joesge.com. Thanks again, and I hope you all have a fantastic day.